Welcome to Hive Motive. Fresh into stock today, we have this 2023 Range Rover Sport. It's an Autobiography D350, so 350 horsepower diesel, the higher horsepower version. Finished in Santorini black metallic. Some nice extra features on top of it being an autobiography. It's got the black pack. It's also got the 23-inch gloss black alloy wheels, red brake calipers. Inside is finished in garnet red and ebony semi-aniline leather seats. Has a panoramic roof, so because it's the autobiography, it's also an opening roof. Very nice condition. You have electric seats, rear seats can fold back. Obviously has privacy glass. Power boot. You can also operate the seats and also the suspension height from the buttons at the back here, and the button to close it. So one of the nice things about it being autobiography as well is the rear seats. It has 4-zone climate control, so air conditioning in the front and the back. But it also has heated and cooled seats in the rear and the front. So go around to the right for heat, and then go around to the left for cooled. Soft closed doors, which is a lovely feature. So memory and electric seats, along with the electric windows, mirrors, and they fold in. Very classy style with the red and the black interior. For jump in, you have touchscreen. Just going to show you that you can actually open the blind further back so that it opens up the back section of the sunroof too. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to close it because it's reflecting onto the screens. So, multifunction steering wheel, including being heated. You have the navigation that goes through on the screen. You can change the format of the LCD screen as well. So this screen is great. You have the option for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can also have the navigation through here. It also has the 360 camera, and it has the 3D parking, which is a really nice feature. So Magic shows you behind the car. You can change the position depending which way you're going, which way you're parking. If I go into park, so also has the front seats are also massage seats, so you can turn on the massage function. Obviously they're heated and cooled as well, so you can have them hot or cold depending on what you want. Lots of cool features, obviously the air conditioning, the cameras, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It has deployable side steps, which is a nice option too. That's the additional option. Normal Land Rover as well, you have the Wade sensing and compass and so on. This one has the clear view rear view mirror, which the camera is operated through the back fin. Meridian sound system. This little yellow dot here, that's for blind spot assist. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Oh, it does have the matrix LED lights, which are fantastic as well, with LED daytime run lights. And adaptive cruise control. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you have any questions, or if you want to book an appointment to come have a look at the car, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Or you can email me, sales@hypermotive.co.uk.